the top plate, and this is a FZ1 shock, so this lock ring here doesn't fit this the ID of this top plate the way that the R1 does. You can see it just isn't quite big enough to fit down in there. If it were, this plate would go down onto that top of that spring. And these two all threads go down. The other end of the shock fits into the groove made by the all threads. And it's secure, won't kick out. It won't fly either way as this comes down. As this gets compressed, it stays here, it's locked in. I come all the way through the vise with the all thread to this plate here underneath, and it's held by the bottom of my wood vise from being, the all thread is kept from being sucked up by these nuts here. So as all this compresses down, this is held from being sucked up by this plate. So you put this on there, and you just wrench these two nuts down evenly, and it compresses your spring far enough until you can get your lock ring out of there. And then you just back the bolts up, and you take the plate off, and you've removed your spring.